If I have to thank, I have to go backwards and start thanking because my parents were here, as I told you before. So I have to start thanking Sheikh Zayed and Sheikh Rashid for what they provided to my parents. And then I have to thank, of course, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, then our wonderful ruler, Sheikh Mohammed, and of course the Crown Prince for keeping up the energy, Sheikh Hamdan. Yeah.
Welcome everyone with your program Pearls of Yunnan, who unveiled the most successful story and person here in UAE. Today from Dubai City with Dr. Maya Jacob, the founder of Dr. Maya Dental Center. Welcome, doctor.
Thank you for this opportunity.
We are so happy to meet you today, doctor. So from the beginning also we need to speak about your successful story in this country. We need to know more details about you to present you for everyone.
So I'm Dr. Maya Jacob from India. I'm a dentist by profession. So I graduated in 1994 from College of Dental Surgery, Mangalore. Then I went on to do my post-graduation in pediatric and preventive dentistry. Finished my post-graduation in 1998. Then I worked in India. I had my own clinic there as well. And we worked there for 2-3 years. Then I moved on to Dubai in 2001. I did a lot of further education, certification courses in Invisalign, orthodontics. I have a diploma in orthodontics. Then I have done implantology under American Academy of Implant Dentistry. So I have done a lot of work and effort to be the best in my profession.
Usually, doctor, we have some person who help us in the life, who support us. From your side, who's the person who support you, who give you the positive vibes to be a doctor like today?
I have to thank my parents for that, for this wonderful education that they gave me. They had the vision that about dentistry, how it was, how it would be, how it would benefit me. And they were doctors, medical doctors. I have only one sister and she's a medical professionist also. So I was the only one which ventured into the dental field. But my mother was very adamant that I should go into dentistry, and she saw something in me that would make the dental profession click in my life.
Doctor, any person have this challenge of life. It's not easy to be a doctor, it's not easy to open a private business. So from your side, what's your challenge from your first step in your career?
Initially, yes, you need a little bit of investment to be made when you want to start a clinic. Then you should have a vision where you want the clinic to be down the line in the next 5 years. That vision is very important. So you can work towards it day by day and make small changes in every month, every year. You're going towards a goal that you have it in your mind. So that is something I always have a goal and I aspire towards it.
Dr. Maya, you choose to be in Dubai from 2001. Why UAE? Why you choose exactly this country?
To be honest, UAE is not very new to me because my parents lived here for almost 15 years. So I have been in and out of Dubai as a child and I loved this place. So it was by destiny and by my choice as well to come to Dubai. And slowly I had this, once I landed in Dubai, I had a clear idea where I need to head, what I needed to do. So, and I also got a lot of aspirations from the, I have to say, from the rulers of Dubai. So that the way they contact the, and bring up the country as such. So it's such an inspiration. So it must have brushed onto me and made me, into what I am today.
Dr. Maya, Dubai in 2001, not like today. They changed, yeah. In the medical level, in the health care, what do you think about this country? What do you think about the all opportunity of work, the all opportunity of success in Dubai today, from your experience?
I have to go back and say, I used to come here in the 1980s as a child. So from that time to 2022, it's been a vast difference. So what I can see in the landscape itself. And after I started my dental career in 2001 in Dubai, the changes that have come across in the field of dentistry as a whole and also in Dubai, it's by leaps and bounds. So there is, it's such a progressive field in itself, in a progressive country. So I have no complaints. It's been the best days of my life.
Today, Dubai is like the best destination for the medical health care. We can speak about medical tourism. All person from all the world, they choose Dubai. From your work, from your patients also, you see any person from the other nationality, they coming just for Dubai for the medical health care?
There are quite a few enquiries do we get that they want to do a certain procedure, maybe like implants, full mouth implants, they want to do it here because they have this vision of Dubai as a very progressive, safe, clean space. So they are very confident to come here and get the work done.
When we talk about the technology, it will be in the older side in our life today. Also the technology, they use it in the medical side, in the dental specialty. How using the technology, doctor?
So as you can see, when I started off in 2004, it was a very basic technology. I would say, most of the things were done by dentists or the technicians in the lab, like for a crown or something. So now when I see, even in my clinic, we have so much of AI-powered technology. We can scan the full mouth. Before we used to take impressions, like physical impressions of the patients. Now we don't need to do that. We just have to have a scan. So it's like a 3D scan of the full mouth, which is then sent into the technician as STL files. So it has changed a lot, and I see a lot more coming up in the near future.
Talking about Dr. Maya Dental Center in Dubai, what you have like a service, doctor for everyone?
Yeah. So now we have all specialities in Dr. Maya Dental Center. So if you have gum issues, we have the periodontist who does all the gum treatment. Starting from removing the gum depigmentation, then making the gum higher, lower, gingivectomies, everything. we have the oral surgeon who can do complicated surgeries, impacted molars. Then we do have implantologist, which myself, I'm an implantologist. So we do a lot of implants, and we do same day implants, which we've done, we extract after the tooth extraction, immediately the same time we place the implants ourselves, which is quite convenient for the patient because they don't have to have a second surgery for the implants placement. Then we do Hollywood Smile, where, and when I see the patients happy after the smile that we give, it gives me all the pleasure. Then everything from root canal treatments, we have the technology of doing it under dental microscopes, which it's a very highly magnified field. We can see inside the tooth, so everything is very accurate. Then what else can I say? The simple, all kinds of fillings, the porcelain inlays, onlays, and veneers.
Dr. Maya, from your experience and from your work in the clinic, like a founder and like a doctor, sure that you have this strategy for work. You have a strategy to choose the person who work with you. How do your work, also your relation with the patients. It's like how you work with him, how you speak with him, how you communicate with him.
So when I choose the person who works with me, I always look at their experience the most. So at least a minimum of 10 years experience in this field is what I look for. So by that time they are very proficient in their field, and then we always have huddle meetings and to know if there is any problems that they are facing in the clinic. So I try to solve it and everything will run smoothly.
So doctor, today if I ask you about your future plan for this clinic, what's your future plan?
I am definitely going to expand this clinic. By the new year, I'm expecting to expand the clinic. And I want to bring in more of technology-based dentistry into this profession so that we have more quicker and accurate quality is what I look for.
Today, Dr. Maya, they do the best to be from the best names like a doctor in UAE to create your name, also with the big competition in Dubai. So if I ask you about what means the success from your side?
As I told you before, I always have a vision in front of me. So like 5 years down the line where I want to be. So I'm aware of the competition around me, but I don't compromise on the quality part. So there will be people undercutting, but I don't really get so worried about it because I always stress on the quality that I'm going to give my patients. So I always feel that will sustain the clinic.
So doctor, today you are example for many doctors, for the person that have this dream to be also doctor like you. So your message, your motivation message for the new generation of doctors?
I have to say to the new generation of dentists out there that the wannabe dentist, that if you are interested in the service industry where you would like to make a difference in the life and quality of life, improve the quality of life in the patients that you meet, and if you feel happiness out of it, this is the profession for you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Maya. We are so happy to meet you today. Like a great example of doctor, great example of founder also for the clinic. So wish you all the best, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. See you next week with Pearls of Human program. Bye-bye.